Hello viewers, here is an Aloha Breeze fan. This is a 12-inch model, and it is made in China. I'm not that surprised. Here's a look at the informations. It does not seem to list a manufacturer. It's possible that one can be traced through that. Actually, no, there is no UL number on this because it's not UL listed. It's supposedly conforms to UL standards, but I think that's a pack of baloney, because if it met the UL standards, you could have had it tested and certified UL safe, but it's not. That's a whole different story. I'm sure somebody will be able to tell me who made this. Perhaps maybe Tori would know, Oreski. Someone's going to know. So anyways, this was one of the fans I remember seeing in school. There was a classroom that had 3 of these, and I remember they just absolutely stunk. They made no difference. They hardly moved any air. But which is kind of odd, because the blade actually looks pretty substantial. It's got a deep wide pitch to it, and it just seems like it's very well made. It should move a lot of air, but I just remember it hardly moving any air. This is from 2006, so that's right around the time that I would have been in the school that had these. I forget what grade it was. I could figure it out, but I'm too tired. This control is on the top. It's already on high, so let's start with it off. And then it has the oscillation switch labeled, which is kind of unusual. It comes up very nicely, but it doesn't push down too well. The guard is on wrong, or upside down, and the handle is not quite centered. I'm not sure if that's assembly error or if it's just a piece of junk. I don't know. And it does have the clips, which is nice. That's very easy to clean. Let's plug it up here. It has a polarized plug, but it's not fused. Okay, it's plugged up now. I'm going to try to get the camera out of the airstream here. And let's start on low. Oh, that's ironic. This goes from low to high, which I did a video on that fan, and I was saying how I like that because not a lot of fans that go that way. But I guess we here have another one. So let's start with low. Oh, for heaven's sakes, it doesn't even work. Oh, the bearings is locked. The bearings are locked. And the grammar police are going to come after me. Oh, jeez. Well, that is stiff. Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm going to be able to unlock that. Yeah, no chance. Well, okay. I was not expecting that to be the case. I just don't think that'll make a difference now. Wow, so that is locked up tight. It doesn't coast that wall. Alright, well, we're going to have to get this serviced before I can get any more video of it. I wasn't expecting that. Doesn't even look like it has that many hours on it. It looks like it maybe has 1 season on it. Oh dear.